Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Jeep Cherokee headlight. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new H13 headlight bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine off and cool. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it easy for anyone to tackle this common maintenance task. Let's get started and restore your visibility. Now, let's access the headlight assembly. Begin by carefully removing the 7 retaining clips located along the top edge of your Jeep's grille. A flathead screwdriver or a specialized trim removal tool works best for this. Once the top clips are out, gently pull the grille forward from the bottom. It should release from its lower mounting points with a slight tug, giving you full access to the headlight unit. With the grille removed, you can now easily access the headlight assembly. You'll see 2 Phillips head screws securing it. Go ahead and remove those. Gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward a few inches to reveal the wiring harness. Twist the old headlight bulb counterclockwise to unlock and remove it. Then, carefully insert your new H13 bulb, twisting it clockwise to secure it firmly in place. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. Almost done, reconnect the electrical connector to your new headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its housing and secure it with the 2 Phillips head screws. Now, align the grille and push it back into position, making sure all 7 retaining clips snap securely. Finally, turn on your Jeep and test the new headlight to confirm it's working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your headlight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.